films, art, nature, or conversations. Engaging with different perspectives and ideas can help spark new insights and overcome creative blocks. 7. Manage stress. High levels of stress can inhibit creative flow. Implement stress management techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, scheduled downtime, or engaging in hobbies, to relax your mind and create space for creative thinking. Enriching your creativity. 300 words. 1. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to improve and develop new skills. Embrace challenges, view setbacks as learning opportunities, and cultivate a positive attitude towards growth. 2. Embrace failure. Fear of failure can stifle creativity. Instead, view failures as stepping stones toward success. Learn from them, adjust your approach, and keep pushing past your limits. 3. Collaborate and share ideas. Engaging in collaborative work and sharing ideas with others can stimulate creativity and provide fresh insights. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who challenge and inspire you. 4. Constant learning. Seek out new knowledge and skills in fields beyond your expertise. Acquiring diverse knowledge broadens your perspective and fuels creativity. Title: Unlocking Creative Flow, Strategies for Enhancing Productivity. Introduction, 100 words. In today's fast-paced world, being productive and fostering creativity is more important than ever. Whether you are an artist, writer, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to enhance their problem-solving skills, tapping into your creative flow is essential. This article aims to provide a comprehensive guide on strategies to unlock your creative flow and boost productivity. By implementing the techniques and practices outlined here, you can unleash your full potential and accomplish your goals more efficiently. Let's delve into the various strategies that can help you unlock creative flow and enhance productivity. Understanding creative flow, 200 words. Creative flow, often referred to as being in the zone, is a state of heightened focus and immersion where time seems to fly by effortlessly. It is a mental state where one's thoughts, actions, and emotions sync harmoniously. During this state, individuals experience an increased level of productivity, concentration, and innovation. However, creative flow can be elusive, and many struggle to harness its power consistently. Creating the right environment, 300 words. One of the key factors in unlocking creative flow is creating the right environment. A conducive space minimizes distractions and maximizes focus, allowing your mind to wander freely and generate new ideas. Consider the following tips when setting up your workspace. 1. Clear the clutter. A cluttered workspace can be overwhelming and hinder creativity. Declutter your surroundings, organize your materials, and create a clean and inviting workspace. 2. Optimize lighting. Natural light is ideal, as it boosts mood and increases concentration. If that's not possible, invest in good quality artificial lighting that mimics natural sunlight. 3. Incorporate inspirational elements. Surround yourself with objects or images that inspire you. This could be artwork, photographs, quotes, or anything that resonates with your creative aspirations. Flow-inducing practices, 500 words. 1. Set clear goals. Establish clear and achievable goals before starting a creative task.